Luckily that's not my washer. Is your washing machine shaking, banging, making noise, or even walking over the floor? In this video I will show you exactly how I fixed mine, step by step, even if you never fixed anything. Welcome back to Hobby John Doe, where we make DIY repairs, home skills, simple for beginners. My washing machine started making a lot of noise and moving way more than it should during spin cycles. So I took the washing machine apart to find the real problem, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. Before we start, always unplug your washing machine and turn off the water supply. Safety first. I started by removing the outer panels so I could access the inside of the machine. Don't worry, this looks intimidating, but it's mostly just screws. I will go slow so beginners can follow along. The tools you need to use for a repair like this are pretty basic. A screwdriver, a socket wrench, and that's pretty much it. No special tools required. At first I thought it might be a broken spring, worn ball bearings or bad shock absorbers. Once the machine was open, I checked the suspension springs and they turned out to be alright. The drum was moving way too easily and the shock absorbers weren't doing their job anymore. Okay, that confirmed it, the shock absorbers were worn out. I will use this set. I've been using it for years and it never let me down. Tools like these are worth investing in. If you want to know which one I use, I will leave the link down in the description and you can check it out yourself. Removing the old shock absorbers was pretty straightforward. Just unbolt them. I quickly ordered some replacement shock absorbers from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. When installing the new ones, make sure they are fully seated and secured properly. Use some lubrication if needed. This is the part that actually fixes the shaking and the noise. Once the new shock absorbers were installed, I reassembled the washing machine by reversing the steps. Take your time here, rushing is how screws go missing.
A few moments later.
Yes.
After putting everything back together, I moved the washing machine back into place. I ran a test cycle and the difference was huge. No more shaking, no more loud banging, problem solved. A repair like this can save you quite a lot of money, and honestly, it was not that hard. If you are a beginner, you can absolutely do this. If this video helps you fix your washing machine, hit the like button, it really helps the channel. Subscribe to Hobby John Doe for more beginner-friendly DIY projects, home repairs, woodworking and easy cooking and baking. And like a true mechanic, you're always left with one screw. So with these new shock absorbers, it's running like it's brand spanking new. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.